Do your kids annoy you?
Yeah?
Do your kids want an educated summer camp?
Yes.
Do you want to have a super fun summer?
Yeah!
Send them to Venus. It's an amazing camp on Venus, and it's only $30 a day. All right, we have a bunch of activities like ring toss, swimming, in acidic pools. It's amazing, and it's only a once-in-a-lifetime deal. Probably because once you send them there, they're gonna die.
Venus's atmosphere is so thick that it is always cloudy there. From Earth or space, astronomers can see only a smooth cloud over Venus. The clouds are made mostly of droplets of sulfuric acid. If you stand on Venus's surface, you would quickly be crushed by the weight of its atmosphere. The pressure of Venus' atmosphere is 90 times greater than the pressure of Earth's atmosphere. You couldn't breathe on Venus because its atmosphere is mostly carbon dioxide. Because Venus is closer to the sun than Earth is, it receives more solar energy than Earth does. Much of this radiation is reflected by Venus's atmosphere. However, some radiation reaches the surface and is later given off as heat. The carbon dioxide in Venus's atmosphere traps heat so well that Venus has the hottest surface of any planet. At 460 degrees Celsius, its average surface temperature is hot enough to melt lead. This trapping of heat by the atmosphere is called the greenhouse effect. Many space probes have visited Venus. The first probe to land on the surface and send back data, Venera 7, landed in 1970. It survived for only a few minutes because of the high temperature and pressure. Later, probes were more durable and sent images and data back to Earth. The MegaJJproductionz probe reached Venus in 1990, carrying radar instruments. Radar works for clouds, so MegaJJproductionz was able to map nearly the entire surface. MegaJJproductionz data confirmed that Venus is covered with rock. Venus's surface has many volcanoes in broad plains formed by lava flows. Venus takes about 7.5 Earth months to revolve around the Sun. It takes about 8 months for Venus to rotate once on its axis. Thus, Venus rotates so slowly that its day is longer than its year. Oddly, Venus rotates from east to west, the opposite direction from most other planets and moons. Astronomers hypothesize that this unusual rotation was caused by a very large object that struck Venus billions of years ago. Such a collision could have caused Venus to change its direction and rotation. Another hypothesis is that Venus's thick atmosphere could have somehow altered its rotation.
You should send your kids to Venus. Call 1-800-555-3678. And now, a word from our sponsor.
I'll go to Uranus. I'll go to Uranus. I'll go to Uranus because it's pretty awesome. And because I said so.
Call 1-800-555-3678 to get your spots in now.